Welcome to our Excel tutorial. In this video, we're going to explore how to copy cell formatting from one range to another. Whether you're working on the same worksheet or need to apply formatting across different sheets, we have two efficient methods for you: using the Format Painter tool and writing a VBA macro. Let's begin with the Format Painter, an intuitive feature in Excel that allows you to quickly duplicate the format of one cell and apply it to another. First, you'll need to select the source range that contains the formatting you wish to copy. In our example, this would be the range B2 Laughing Face 5. With the source range selected, navigate to the Home tab and click on the Format Painter icon. This will activate the tool, and your cursor will transform into a paintbrush, ready to paint the formatting onto other cells. Next, click and drag to select the destination range where you want to apply the copied formatting, for instance, F2, H5. As you release the mouse, the formatting from the source range will be applied to the new range. Take a moment to compare the destination table before and after applying the formatting. You should see that it now mirrors the style and appearance of the original table. For users who prefer a more automated approach or need to apply formatting across multiple worksheets, we'll demonstrate how to use Excel VBA to achieve this. Now, let's write a VBA macro that will copy the cell formatting from one range to another. We'll insert a new module and paste the following code. After entering the code, save your work and exit the VBA editor. To run the macro, go to the Developer tab, click on Macros, select Copy Cell Formatting from the list. When prompted, input the source range in the Source text box, which is the range with the formatting you want to copy. Then, input the destination range in the Destination text box, where you want to apply the formatting. After running the macro, check the destination range to ensure that the formatting has been successfully copied. You should see that the destination range now reflects the format of the source range. Congratulations! You've learned two powerful methods to copy cell formatting in Excel. These techniques will save you time and help you maintain a consistent and professional look across your worksheets. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice these methods to enhance your Excel skills and streamline your formatting tasks. For more Excel tips and tricks, be sure to subscribe to our channel.